yung Psalm chapter 23, yung verse 1, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Sa King James Version Bible, sa Berkeley Version, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not lack." Doon sa Living Bible, "The Lord is my shepherd, I have everything." Sa NIV version, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want." Nung una, nasasabi ko ito sa ating mga discipleship training sessions. Nung ako'y bagong Kristiyano, mas gusto ko medyo ayoko nung King James Version Bible, mahirap intindihin eh. "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Mas gusto ko yung Berkeley Version sa Gideon Bible, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not lack." Hindi na ako mangangailangan pa. Hindi ako magkukulang. I shall not lack. Nang makita ko yung Living Bible na binigay sa akin ng kapatid ko sa States, mas gusto ko itong Living Bible. "The Lord is my shepherd, I have everything. I have everything." Nung una, I shall not lack. Sumunod, I have everything. Kasi bagong Kristiyano. Meron pang ano tawag dun meron pang remnants yung tinatawag na carnality. Meron pang carnality, mas matimbang pa yung carnality. Yung inherent selfishness. Mas gusto ko to, I shall not lack. Nung makita ko yung Living Bible, mas gusto ko to, I have everything. "The Lord is my shepherd, I have everything." Hanggang sa lumago ako sa pananampalataya. Nung lumago na ako sa pananampalataya, nung lumago na ang aking spiritual life, saka ko na-appreciate yung King James Version Bible. "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." I shall not want. Ang Panginoon ang aking pastor, I shall not want. Hindi na ako kailangan, I shall not want. Wala na akong kailangan. Because God Himself is more than enough for me. Naalala ko yung awit na, "Nothing in this world can satisfy me."